Hi, it's me again. This is how we're finishing our cookies, so do you want to watch us? Okay, here I go.
What are these called?
They're called
Peanut butter.
kisses.
What?
They're called peanut butter kisses.
Right.
And here I go.
Okay.
I already did too.
Okay, use your right hand, because you're right-handed, because that pan is very hot. Be careful. Don't put your arm down on it. There you go. And you get it in the middle and you kind of mush them down.
Like this.
Let's see. Oh, okay.
I try my best.
You're doing a great job.
And done. The end.
Mmm. Let's see what the peanut butter crisscrosses look like. Let's see. Ooh, they look good too.